What if we were sad and this could never happen to us? How wrong could we be? 'Cause maybe here we are, victims of love. I'm broken down a pair, so sad to see it never end, scatter everywhere. Victims of love, I still cannot believe. And the victims of love, and the victims of love, and the victims of love.